Rust Snippets. This one's going to be short, simple, and possibly covering a solution that nobody has ever encountered a problem for. We're going to talk about the Windows function. Now, the Windows function solves a problem that I've only had to deal with in a couple of instances in actual programming, but several times in LeetCode stuff. I hate LeetCode, but it is something that you occasionally have to deal with. So let's talk about the Windows function. The Windows function, the way you can kind of picture it is you create a window of size n on an array. So we've got an array here that includes the words for like and subscribe for more software and security content. That was a shitty plug. But the Windows function is basically going to take a window of size n. So let's say a window of size 2, and it is going to create that window on the array. So at first it's going to start on index 0, and it is going to contain the words like and. So index 0 and index 1. Then that window is going to shift and go to index 1 and index 2, so and subscribe. And it's going to keep shifting that window until it gets to the very end of the array. We can create windows of any size. So let's create a window of size 1. Perfectly fine to do. Essentially all that's going to do is iterate the array. Actually, it isn't allowed. Oh, yes it is. So we can just get rid of this here and this here. So we've got a window of size 1. And this is perfectly fine. Like and subscribe for more software and security content. So that is essentially just iterating over the array, probably inefficiently. So let's go ahead and backtrack through all of this. And we've got a window of size 2. So it is like and subscribe for. So you're going to have repetitions here because that window is only moving by index 1 each time. So it's going to repeat a word in each window movement. But you can basically create windows of any size and it will just keep iterating over it the exact same way. Again, this might be kind of a weird thing to have to deal with, but trust me, it will come up eventually. I've had to use it a handful of times in Python. Python has I think a similar function that I can't remember the name of. But this is the Windows function for Rust. You will probably find a couple of different ways to use it. I think I last had to use it actually in Advent of Code. Possibly. Somebody used it in Advent of Code. I do remember that. If this was helpful, if it wasn't helpful, still like, subscribe, all of that fun stuff. We'll be doing more Rust snippets in the future. Take it easy. Peace.